go. You're all cut up.
Oh, I'm so glad you got a stir.
Oh, I did something today. I wanted to be known.
What did you do? What did you do?
I stirred the pot.
Don't be a pot stirrer.
I'm gonna be the proverbial pot stirrer today.
You're the spoon.
Okay,
You're gonna be the spoon today.
now
A
you
sport.
The sport.
How much
So I can stir it.
Okay, what?
You can do this different, but this is the way I do it. These jars are clean,
Uh-huh.
so I rinse them, and I'm gonna start the oven, and I just get them hot.
Hot, yeah.
And that way, I don't have to fool with them in a pan of water.
Yay.
I don't have it on full speed because I don't want to.
Yeah, you want it to cook slower.
Well, I don't want to burn the not me and this electric stove. Now it has to boil first. When it comes to a full rolling boil, then I'll put the sugar in. But it's just about to a full rolling boil.
Yep.
How long does it usually last? Mine was very.
So,
My husband's right.
Jacob,
What?
come here.
Oh.
You're gonna be the spoon.
This side.
Come over here to the stove and start stirring.
Continuous.
Continuous stir, okay? We're getting ready to get it.
Oh, we're in a bowl.
We're in a full rolling boil. So now we're just gonna add all the sugar. Mom used to say that you can only use metal spoons in canning. You can do your wood.
You can do wood. Don't do plastic.
You got melted. What? You got a leaf? Here, just.
I don't want to give up my strawberries.
I think you got enough strawberries, it's okay. If you give up a little bit of one, it's okay.
I don't want to give up any. It tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Agnes needs to sit down.
Yeah. Do you know what? Her Aunt Agnes. Agnes was Grandma Elizabeth's sister, one of her older sisters.
With my aunt.
Yeah, and she didn't like Mom at all. And she'd sat in a rolling chair and would roll because she had arthritis really bad. So she would roll around in the kitchen and have her little cane and whack Mom with it and say, okay, you do this. Bonnie in. Bonnie in.
She thought Bob was made of gold. And I was made of shit.
Or at least full of it. 'Cause we got some of that.
So, yeah, she didn't like me. Just start laughing. She never did like me.
No,
Never.
but was it her first husband or second?
Well, she lived with me. It wasn't ever married.
They weren't married, but
I
she got mad at him, so she ran over him with the car.
She never had a kid. She liked Bob. Oh, she loved Bob.
So she probably wouldn't have liked you, but she would have loved Jacob.
Yeah, she wouldn't have liked you either. Yeah,
Here, Mom, I'll carry that.
do you think a green towel down there? We don't have anything. Think this green towel to set them on will be enough?
Yeah, did you need something to set them on?
Well, I feel better.
See how much it's bubbled up?
Yeah.
That's why, remember what it started at? See how it's setting? See how when she just held the spoon up?
You want these like super tight?
Yeah, I mean, just tied down. They don't have to be like ratcheted down, but
Tight enough to
It's my hand tight, so
yeah,
sorry about it.
that works. 3 minutes on the